continues to experience homes going under contract in just 6 days. It's Friday, March 1st, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Annapolis is still challenged by inventory shortages. There are 102 homes for sale, which is down 5% from last report. 22 homes are coming soon, a 47% increase week over week. 22 homes hit the market over the past week, the same as last. 20 went under contract, rising 18% this week. 7 moved to pending, a 71% increase over last report. 20 homes sold at 97.8% list to sold ratio and selling in 31 days. The highest priced home to sell was in Bywater Estates for $1,750,000. Rentals in Annapolis are at 37 for $3,200 per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, March 1st. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.